Okay, so the last skill in this unit is about interpreting distance-time graphs, and the difficulty here is always about understanding what speeds are in distance-time graphs. So here you're given a distance-time graph and you're being asked three things. You're being asked for the speed in section A, the speed in section B, and the average speed. So let's have a look at the speed in section A. So when the time starts, the distance is 0. After 10 minutes, at the end of section A, the change is 10 kilometres. So it's 10 kilometres in 10 minutes. 10 km in 10 minutes. Now, it hasn't asked what unit it wants for speed, so I'm going to give it in per hour. So I want to get up to 60 minutes. So I'm going to need to times that by 6. Times by 6 over here gives me 60 kilometres in 60 minutes. 60 kilometres per hour. Let's have a look in section B. So, in terms of time, I've gone from 10 minutes up to 30 minutes. That's 20 minutes. In terms of distance, I've gone from 10 kilometres up to 15 kilometres, which is 5 kilometres. So, I've gone 5 kilometres in 20 minutes. I'm trying to turn that into an hour, into 60 minutes. So I'm going to need to times by 3. Times by 3 here gives me 15 kilometres in 60 minutes. 15 kilometres per hour. If I wanted the average speed across the whole journey, that means going from start to finish. So from start to finish, it's taken me 30 minutes. I've gone 15 kilometres. So here I've gone, for the whole journey, I've gone 15 kilometres in 30 minutes. Times it by 2 to give me 60 minutes. Tells me it's 30 kilometres per hour. Okay, pause the video while you take down the worked example, and when you're ready, go on to a couple of questions yourself. Okay, so 2 questions here. For the first question, there's 3 sections, A, B and C. I want the speed for each section and then the average speed for the whole journey. Be careful about units there. So section A, it takes a quarter of the way as from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, so that's going to be 15 minutes. So make sure that you're careful about what each square represents. For the second question, you're returning home. Remember that your speed is always positive. There's no such thing as a negative speed. Okay, pause the video now while you have a go at those questions yourselves, and when you're ready, press on pause to see the solutions. Okay, so for section A, he'd gone 2 kilometres in 15 minutes, which is 8 kilometres an hour. For section B, he'd gone 3 kilometres in 45 minutes. We need to bring that down to 15 minutes, dividing by 3 gave you 4 kilometres per hour. And in the last section, you managed to go 1 kilometre in the hour, which just gives you straight away 1 kilometre per hour. In total, he had gone 6 kilometres overall from start to finish in a space of 2 hours, which gives a total speed of 3 kilometres per hour. Notice you can't just add these up and divide by 3 to give you the average speed, because they've been doing a different amount of time at each of those different speeds, so you can't just take a simple average. For the first section, been travelling 4 kilometres in 10 minutes, which was 24 kilometres an hour. Second section was 5 kilometres in 25 minutes, so you need to bring that down to 5 minutes by dividing by 5, gave you 12 kilometres per hour. And for the last, he had done 1 kilometre in 10 minutes, which is 6 kilometres per hour. Your average speed, done 10 kilometres in 45 minutes, you needed to divide it by 3 to give you 15 minutes, and then times it by 4, which gave you 13.3 recurring kilometres per hour. Give yourself a mark there out of 8. If you want any additional assistance on that topic, it's Hegarty 876 to 877. Very well done.